The High Court of Zimbabwe has today granted bail to 89 opposition-linked protesters who were arrested in connection with the crippling 31 March 2025 demonstrations, an action widely credited to war veteran Blessed Geza, who continues to mount pressure for the release of all political detainees. Sanda pina mashoko blanyi kwa pana apazinzi aiwa comrade Pomsho Geza si protest push panguva ino yava kubeya mafurutsu vari kuno kwakunzi some of the detainees avo release vanori vasubscribe like vatonga bell icon. Tinobva kodwani kwamuchinzi presiding over the matter, Justice Muremba overturned a lower court decision that had denied bail to the group and ordered their release upon payment of $100 each to the clerk of court at the Harare Magistrate Court. Strict bail conditions were imposed, including a requirement for all accused to reside at their stated addresses and report to designated police stations every fortnight until the finalization of their cases. Among the named appellants, Joseph Kadzi, Kuzanai Marungweni, Memory Ewe, and Mnyaradzi Kanonama. Reporting stations include Shabutu, Sanyatu, Lusap, and Glendale, respectively. The March 31 protest described by observers as one of the most significant acts of civil disobedience in recent years, were largely mobilized by Comrade Geza. His call to action brought cities and towns across Zimbabwe to a near standstill, with the widespread shutdowns of businesses, schools, and public services. Economists estimate that millions of dollars in business activity were lost that day, with many acknowledging that the protesters' impact sent shockwaves through both the government and the private sector. The court, while granting bail, warned the appellants not to interfere with ongoing investigations. Today's ruling is a significant legal and moral win for opposition and civic groups, coming at a time when Zimbabwe's human rights record is under renewed international scrutiny. Thomas Barguda panguva ino pamusoro amaprotest abomsho Geza chinokuwa kunzi kupiwa bail kwavari kuita kunzi abomsho Geza panguva ino ari kuita aiwa achibhiya mafurutsu zvaari kuda zvichiita. Tina kumese kushemendedza mafundo enyu, subscribe like